In this video, I'm going to show you how you can flip this image from this to this. So the first thing we need to do is to have your image. So upload your image in Canva. As you can see, we have the image here. Now, once you have the image, go on flip on top bar, click on flip. And then you have to choose whether you want to flip horizontally or you want to flip vertically. Now I want the other copy to face this first image. Let me first duplicate this so that we can have the two of them. So we shall flip this image. So what you need to do is you click flip and then flip horizontal. And as you can see, we have achieved that successfully. So now as you can see, we have flipped the image and now the lady is facing the other direction. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.